All right, so we're on problem number 39 now, and they want me to determine if this thing converges or not. So it's either yes it does or no it doesn't. What I notice about it is a positive term series, a positive term series. Now if I did the test for divergence, it's not very helpful, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to use what's called the limit comparison test. That's written right here for you. So I'm looking for something that I'm going to say, I'm looking at it and I'm going to compare it to this series over here. N equals, I'm going to say 1 to infinity, 1 over n squared, which I know is a convergent p-series. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the limit comparison test. I'm going to write this down, limit, let's see, n goes to infinity, and I'll write this down carefully. It's going to be sine squared 1 over n, and then it's going to be, let's see, 1 over n squared. And I'm wondering what the limit equals. All right, let's go through that. And the way I'm going to do that, write a little different, a little more familiar to me. I'm going to write it as the limit as x goes towards infinity. And I can write the top as the sine of 1 over x times the sine of 1 over x. And then the bottom I have 1 over x squared times 1 over x squared. All right? I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. That's not true. It's good to know you made a mistake, by the way, by just looking at your work. It's actually 1 over x times 1 over x. And so this is why you're doing that. I'm seeing something that I might be able to recognize without too much work. So I'm going to say, this looks similar to saying limit where u goes to 0 from the right side of sine of u over u. It's really an equivalent statement. And sine of u over u. What do we go there? We get the number 1. So let me erase this over here. I know this limit now. It's 1. So here's the deal. What do I know about this over here? This series converges. This means this given series converges over here. And we are done. Thank you.